So welcome, this is day 5 on the Clean 9. I've been feeling a lot better today, basically. Yesterday I felt a bit low, because Wednesday was like a shock to the system because I had an extra shake. Day 4 was sort of, for some reason, like it hit me. But today, for some reason, when I woke up this morning, I had an extra bit of get up and go about me. So today's been pretty good actually. So I'm hoping that this carries on feeling like this, because my workouts have been averaging around 25 minutes, 30 minutes, then to 45 minutes, and today it went on for an hour until I got exhausted. I thought that'll do. I don't fancy no more. I'm getting a bit peckish. I'm getting a bit hungry. Time for me 600 calorie meal or 800. So I decided to have another pork chop with like rice corn, what's it called? A bit like Nancy Gory. So that was my thing. I should have got that up for you so you can actually see a picture of it actually, so that I haven't got to reload it. But yeah, it's been good today. I've really enjoyed it. My workouts have got stronger. I am feeling a lot more positive about the C9. I feel a lot better anyway. Just wait for this to load, and then I'll show you my day, what I had. So tomorrow then I might up me workload, and if I can go for add another 15 minutes on, hopefully I can go on for say, well, here we go. Hopefully you can see that. Just here, take it off that thing. Oh, look at that. Tell you what, that was lovely, that was. It looks like some dark rice, but it's quite white actually. Just the way the camera's caught it. But yeah, I really enjoyed eating that. And so I'm looking forward to getting the workout even more powerful. And as you can see, I've got, I'm also trying to give up smoking on patches. So yeah, I'm getting there. So I've got to weigh myself, haven't I? On day 3, day 6, and day 9, you weigh yourself. Well, you got to do it on day 1 as well, just to make where your starting point is before you start. Day 3, day 6, and day 9, you weigh yourself to see how much you gained on your arms, on your chest, how much weight you've lost, if you've lost any. Because it's not about what people get that misconception that it's a weight loss program. No, it's a cleansing program. And what it does is it cleanses your system out of all toxins. It's supposed to give you more energy. And okay, throughout it so far, I've had ups and downs, but for some reason today I've been going. So yeah, it's been good. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you.